Hi children, how are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine, right? Okay, we are the class now. Class 5. And what is our subject? Science. Yeah, we are going to discuss in the last class what we have discussed. Yeah, we have discussed about cultivating crops. Why we have cultivated the crops and what is the use we have learned. Yes, once again I am going to start the topic clearly for you. All living organisms require food. Means each and every living organism like animals, humans, everyone needs a food. But can they prepare a food? Can we? No. So we are depending on the plants to make the food. Okay, plants can make their food themselves. How they are making? Yes, they can prepare their own food. But we cannot prepare our own food. So we are depending on plants. Animals and humans cannot make their own food. We get our food from the plants. So we are depending on the plants. When plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place. What I am telling? Same type of plant. Yesterday we have learned the same kind of a plant is going to be grown in a particular area. So that if that type of a growing is there, then it is called as a crop. Yesterday we have learned about the crop. Okay. For example, only the weed, only the particular plant of the weed, only the particular plant of paddy, or for anything. If anything, something like that, we are going to keep them in a particular area for getting more amount of the food. That type of process is called as a crop. Today we are going to learn about the stages in cultivating crops. Stages. Okay. Here we are having the stages. Yesterday also we had learned about the 3 stages. What is the first one, Nana? Yes, clouding. We have learned about clouding. And next one, what we have learned yesterday? Yeah, come on. Sowing we have learned. And what we have learned third one? Clouding completed, sowing completed. What is the next one? Manuring. What is the third one? Manuring. Next we are going to know about today irrigation. Irrigation. And next fifth one is the weeding. And sixth one is the harvesting. Here are the different stages of cultivation. Cultivating is nothing but keeping the same kind of the plant to get more amount of the food. So we are keeping the crops. That process is known as the to get more amount of the food. That process we are using is the cultivation or cultivating crops. We are having the 6 types of methods or 6 types of stages in the cultivation. What is the first one here? Plowing. What is the second one? Sowing. Third one, manuring. Fourth one, irrigation. And fifth one, weeding. Sixth one, harvesting. Here are the 6 types of cultivating crops method. Okay, what we have discussed yesterday? Plowing. What is the other name of the plowing here? Yes, tilling. Yes, tilling. Here in the plowing, what we are going to do? Yes, plowing is also called as the tilling. The soil is loosened. What we have learned yesterday? Yes, the soil has to be loosened and turned. What is the meaning of the turn? Yes, from right to left we are doing it the same way. Outside soil is going to be inside and inside soil is going to become outside. Why we need to do like that? Yes, because all the time the upper part of the soil will not be comfortable for all types of crops. So what we have to do? We have to turn the soil and we have to loosen the soil for the each and every crop. So we are using the method plowing. We are using the method plowing. The soil is loosened and turned with the help of the plow. How we are going to turn the soil? Yes, with the help of the plow and with the help of the buffaloes or with the help of the cows, we are going to do the plowing. And next one, how we can do if there is no buffaloes or no cows? How we have to do? Yes, we have to do with the help of machines. We can do the ploughing or tilling with the help of the machines or with the help of the plough. Ploughing allows the seeds. What is going to do? Yes, allows the seed air needed for germination. Here, each and every seed needs three types of condition. What is the first condition? It needs air, water, and sunlight. These are the three important things for a seed to germinate. Each and every seed needs the air, and each and every seed needs water and sun. These are the three main things. In the first block one, we have learned germination of the seed, right? And then we have learned how air is important, how water is important, and how sunlight is used for a seed to grow into a new plant. So in the process of the ploughing, we are changing the soil. We are keeping the upper soil into the lower soil and lower soil into upper side. And next one, what we are doing? Yes, we are loosening the soil. Why we have to lose? Yes, to get the air, water, and sunlight to a seed clearly, or to absorb the seed, water, air, sunlight by its support. So we are using this method, ploughing or tilling. And next one, each and every part or each and every seed has to get these things with the help of ploughing. And how I show you the ploughing? Yes, farmers are going to make the line in the form of rows and columns. Yesterday I have shown you. Yes. Now we are going for the next process or the next stage. What is that one? Sowing. What is the meaning of the sow here? Yes, to keep or to grow. Now here we are going to see sowing. Seeds are planted in the soil. What is the next one? Sowing means seeds are kept in the soil, either by the hand or by the machines. We are using, as I told you, two types of method. Sowing can be done by two types of method. What is the first one? Traditional method. Traditional method. And next one, modern method. Methods. For each and every, either of the ploughing also we are using both the traditional method or modern method. As for sowing also we are using traditional method and modern method. What is meant by traditional method? Traditional method means we are using our hand, we are using our power, not the machine power. If we are using our own power, means manpower, like ploughing by ourselves or sowing the seeds with the help of hands. If we are going to sow the seed with the help of our hand, then it is called as a traditional method. What about the modern method? Yes, if we are going to sow the seed with the help of machines or the tools, then it is called as a modern method. Here also in the ploughing or tilling, we are using a plough or machine. Plough will be done with the help of the man. So it is a traditional method. If we are using the tractor or if we are using the tools, then that type of method is called as a modern method. For each and every stage, we are using both the traditional or modern method. If it is available, modern method, farmers will use modern method. If there is no need of modern method, they will go for the traditional method. What is meant by sowing here? Yes, seeds are planted in the soil. Mainly, seeds are planted. That is a main point for this. How they are going to plant? Yes, by using their hands or by using the machines or tools. What is the next one here? Manually. What is the next one? Manually. Continuous growing of crops make the soil poorer in certain nutrients. Why we have to keep the manure? Yes, continuously. Every year we are going to cultivate the crops, either of the wheat or paddy or corn, anything. But every time we are going to cultivate. So the soil may get infertility or what we get no nutrients. So what we have to do to get the nutrients for the soil, we are going to add a special thing or a nutrient by using manure. We are going to add, yes, feeds by refreshing the nutrients. How? Yes. We can do the cow dung, we can do the some of the insecticides, pesticides, and name. Yesterday we have discussed some of the manure. Do you remember? Yes. Cow dung, vermicompost. Yes. These are the two methods which are used by the most of the farmers. Here, what is meant by manuring? Yes, to keep the soil or to get the soil equal amount of the nutrients. Why we have to give the nutrients from the soil? Who is going to absorb the nutrients? Yes, from the roots, water and minerals and nutrients are going to absorb by the roots. Now, if the soil, where the roots will be having? Roots are in the soil. So, roots are going to absorb water, minerals and nutrients. So, to get the nutrients for the plant, we are going to add some type of nutrients. Those are called as powder, vermicompost, whatever, some of the gases or nitrogen gas, something like that, we are going to give for the soil. Why? Yes, every time. Daily will you eat biryani? Daily will you eat chicken? No. We will eat special day. We will eat something new each and every day. Every day are you going to eat dosha? No. We are going to eat dosha daily. So we are tasting differently. The same way the soil is also made different. Okay. In the morning we are eating dosha. In the afternoon we are eating lunch, and the night chapati. We are changing the diet, right? The same way plant or the soil is needed different types of nutrients. How we are going to use? With the help of manuring. Here manuring, these are two. What is to cow dung and vermicompost. Most of the families or the most of the villages will follow cow dung because each and every village having the cows, buffalo, so they can use the cow dung naturally. No need of money. Vermicompost. It is prepared with the help of earthworms. So normally earthworms get to live, yes, in the soil. So they can prepare the vermicompost also easily. These are the two methods they are following for the manuring. What is the next one here? Fourth method, that is irrigation. What is meant by irrigation? Yes, watering the plant. Have you seen any plant? Okay. Now daily are you watering plants? Yes or no? How we are growing a plant in a house? The same way, farmer is going to cultivate the plants many, not one. We are cultivating or we are growing only one plant, right? Here irrigation means watering the plant. What is the main thing here? Watering plants. Yes. Irrigation means main important thing is we have to water the plants. We already learned water, air, sunlight are most important for the plant to prepare food. So we have to give the water, we have to give the sunlight, we have to give the air. Okay, now the farmer is going to give the water for the plant. That process is called as the irrigation. Okay, this means watering the crops, the time and how the fields need to be irrigated depending upon type of crop. How we are going to depend? Suppose if we are going to cultivate wheat or if we are going to cultivate rice, sometimes you can see like this line and we are going to keep the water continuously for them. If they need rice plant need more water. So depending on the crop. Next cotton plant also need more water. So if which plant is needed more water, they are going to give according to the need of your plant, not regular. Some of the seeds like cereals, what we call green gram, red gram, there is no need for you more and more water daily. For some of the plants they need daily, like rice, cotton, mirchi, all these need the most water. So we are going to give according to the type of a plant. Type of a plant. Watering can be done by type of a plant and need of a plant. Need of a plant. Some plants need less water, some plants need more water. According to the type of the crop, what we are doing, either wheat or paddy or next mirchi, cotton, something. According to that, we are going to give the water for each and every plant in the process of irrigation. Next, how we can give water? From the rain we can give the water. And is there any well, pond, river, borewell? These are the sources of water. What we call from the well we can get the water. From the pond we can get the water, from canals also. In India, mostly we are going to cultivate the crops by using only these types. If we are having more amount of the water in the well, we will use the well. If we are having the canals or the river or pond in our village, we can take the water from the pond or river or canals by using the canal-like structure, by using the lines, okay, to get the water for plant. These are the sources of water, and this is the type of the plant. It depends on the plant growth. So in the cultivation, most important is water. So here, what are the sources of water? Yes, come on, repeat with me. Well, pond, river, borewell, and canals. These are the sources of water. And how water is distributed according to the type of the plant and the need of the plant. And each and every time, different way we are going. Always we are not going to use the water in a large amount. Always we are not going to use less amount of water. It depends on the plant need. Okay. If it is sunny, means if it is very hot, then we have to give more amount of water. If it is very cloudy, we have to give less amount of water. It depends on the climatic conditions. It depends on the type of a plant. It depends on need of a plant. By this, we have completed the one more topic, that is irrigation. Now we are going for the weeding. What is meant by weeding here? Okay. Now what is meant by weeding here? Yes, removing of a waste plant. Removing of waste plants. Yes. Why we have to remove the waste plants? Is there any use of the waste plant? Weed. What is the meaning of the weed here? Yes, waste plant. No need of the use. Weed means a waste plant. So I have written removing of waste plant. Why we have to remove the plants of waste plant? If we are growing the paddy or rice or corn, wheat, anything, whatever you like, you can grow. In the middle of the rice or in the middle of the corn or in the middle of the wheat, if you are getting some other plant which is not useful for us, that is called as a weed. So what we have to do? We have to remove the weed. Why we have to remove? Yes, we have to remove the weeds because it is the competitive for the regular or the main plant. Yes, we want wheat for us. So we are going to cultivate wheat. But here what is there in the middle? Extra plants. Unuseful plants are coming. It is competitive for the main plant. Why? Yes, it will take water, it will take sunlight, it will take nutrients from the soil. So the remaining plant will get damaged. So we have to remove the weeds. That is the main thing. Why we are removing the seeds? So removing the weeds because they are competitive for the main plant. So we have to remove the weeds from the plant. It will help for the main plant to absorb water, minerals and nutrients from the soil carefully. Okay, next, whatever we are spraying, nutrients, already I told you, some insecticides, here powder, vermicompost. The same way if we are spraying any insecticide or any pesticide, they are going to absorb and we can remove. Some of the weeds can be removed by using weedicides or insecticides or pesticides. We can use them and we can remove the waste plants also. That is called as a weed. Now the last and the most important thing is the harvesting. What is meant by harvesting? Yes, we have completed ploughing. What we have done in the ploughing? We have maintained the soil perfectly to grow the seed. And what is the next one here? Now the soil is ready to grow a plant. Sowing means we have kept the seeds in a soil. And what is the mangling here? Yes, to grow a seed into a plant, we are going to give some nutrients that by using powder or vermicompost. Next one, irrigation. We are going to give water for the plant. We have given air, water and sunlight. Weeding and we have removed the waste plants from the main plant. Now harvesting. This is the most important. Yes. When the crop is ready, to get it to our hands, means it is matured and suppose the food is prepared by the plant completely, then we are going to cut the crop and dry the crop and we are going to get the food. So that process is called as the harvesting. We will see in detail. Crops are cut when they are mature. What I told you? Yes, if they are come to the mature state, means the last stage of a plant. The plant has grown to the certain height and the fruits are came and the vegetables or everything or the seeds are there. Then we are going to cut the crop. The method of harvesting depends upon type of crop. How we are going to depend? Yes. Here also we are having two types of methods. If we can cut by using our hand, crops can be cut by using our hand, or we can use the machine. Already I told you two methods, traditional method and the modern method. Here also, if we are using the manpower, it is by that is called as a traditional method. If we are using the machine, it is called as a modern method. Some tools we can use. Suppose rice can be cut with the help of the hand, means with the help of the hooks or with the help of some knives. But as well as we can use the harvesting machines or we can use the tools to cut the plants, which was grown. That process. Start the plant when it is mature. When it is mature. The main thing we have completed. Now the plant has came into our hand. Means the food has came into our hand. That is the last one, harvesting. Now I am going to show you the pictures of each and every part of the stage of a plant. Okay, now we are going to see the first picture. What is there in the first picture? Ploughing. You can see that ploughing. What is the other name we have learned for ploughing? Tilling. You can see the soil clearly that it is making two lines. How we have done already? The soil is going to be in the line form. Why we have made the lines? Yes, to get equal amount of water, sunlight, air, and maintaining the distance. Why we have to maintain distance? Yes, to get the nutrients properly for each and every plant. So we have to grow the plant in an equal distance. That process can be started with the help of ploughing. We are going to see here how the farmer is doing with the help of cows. Ploughing will be done with the help of the cows and make the lines. Why we are making lines? Yes, to get the equal amount of distance and water and nutrients for the plant. Why ploughing is needed? Yes, ploughing is needed to overcome the soil differences. Means we are going to turn the inside soil to the outside and outside soil to the inside, and which helps to the seed to get a nutrients. And next one, loosening. If we lose the soil, then only seed can absorb water, air, sunlight easily. So in the ploughing stage, we are going to lose the soil as well as we are making the lines or we are going to plough the soil. Okay, that is the stage of ploughing. We will move to the next picture. Sowing. Okay, in the next picture you can see the hand and how the person is going to draw. Yes, each and every seed or normally one seed cannot be germinated definitely. So we have to keep minimum 2 to 3 seeds. So farmers can be dropping 2 to 3 seeds in each of every place. So that will lead to the new plants and we are going to get a new plant. Means here the seeds are going to be, what is the meaning of the sowing here? Seeds are going to be planted. Next, we are going to the next picture, that is manure. What is the next one here? Manure. See, the person is holding a manure or holding a something in his hand. It is made for, yes, to grow the soil. How we are doing? Yes, by using cow dung or vermicompost. In the hand of a person, we are having a chemical or we are having a soil called vermicompost to nourish the soil and to get the nutrients for the seed. Next, we will move to the next picture, that is irrigation. You can see how water is sprinkled in the soil. While we are having the sources of water, as well as it depends on the type of your plant, need of your plant, and we are having how we are going to spread water for the plant by using well, by using pond, by using a river or bore wells or canals. By these, we can use the pipes or we can use any type of method to use the water for all the plants by the sources of water. And why we are going to use the plant water? Yes, it has to absorb water and it has to grow. We are having that type of plant. Why type of plant is needed? Some plants will need more water like rice, cotton, already we have discussed. And some plants will no need of water. So it depends on the type of your plant and need of your plant and climatic conditions. You can see irrigation can be done with the help of water, type of your plant, need of your plant. Okay, now we will move to the next picture, that is weeding. You can see the person is taking out the weeds with the help of the hands. Yes, the waste plants can be plucked out from the main plants like weed or anything. So we are going to take out with the help of your hands. That type of process is called as a traditional method. That type of process called as a weeding. And next, modern means we can sprinkle weedicides or pesticides to die those unuseful plants or the waste plants. That is about weeding. Now the last picture you can see. Yes, that is harvesting. How the people are going to cut. How the people are going to cut the plants. You can see each and every line you can see clearly. Means the green color part and the soil also you can see. The same way each and every plant will be cut and the seeds will be separated from the grass. That is the main part of harvesting. When this process will be occurred, yes, this is the last process of cultivation, and this will be when the seed or when the plant has got mature only we are going to cut them to get the food for us. This is the type of stage on cultivating a crop. We have completed our topic regarding stages in cultivating crops. What are how many stages are there? We are having 6 stages. What is the first one? Planting. Second one, sowing. Third one, manure. Fourth one, irrigation. Fifth, weeding. Sixth, harvest. By this, we have completed our topic. Take care, children. Be happy, be healthy. Try to complete the worksheet. Bye, children. We will meet in the next class.